Chapter 1. What a Bird Thought. In the poem, a bird describes its various homes. The bird says that it first lived very nicely in a little house which was small, round, and made of pale blue shell. The bird next lived in a small nest, quite content in it, and not needing another one. It thought its world was made of straws surrounding it. It was covered by the body of its mother. One day, says the bird, it flew unsteadily out of the nest to see what it could find. It thought that it had been blind earlier, for now it realized that the world was made of leaves. It then flew beyond the trees and saw the blue sky. It began to wonder how the world was really made. It did not know, and it asks if the reader knows. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Fluttered means flew with a series of quick, light, trembling movements, or flew unsteadily. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you?
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।